no! I ran out of food. Okay, let's check my shopping list.
I can go to the store.
Take a list of products. And money!
Wow! It's Kinder Joy. I really need to buy it.
What is it? Wow, looks interesting. It's a recipe. There are all the necessary ingredients.
It's time for sugar. I brought you flour.
Thanks.
You can add a little cocoa powder.
Good job.
It's time for baking. Oops! I'm so sorry.
What have you done? Now I need to make it again. I should clean this up. I'll replace the biscuit for the OREO. Ouch! Don't eat my cookies.
I want to taste your cake.